You're on another level and everyone knows it. You are living proof that dreams actually really do come true. And people are just thinking to themselves, like, literally, how did they do it? How you did it is because you became delusional. You believe in yourself. You still believe in yourself. You have accomplished so many milestones and there's still so much more for you to accomplish. And guess what? You know that you can do it. And other people are just mesmerized by you. You know, some of you have come from tough backgrounds. You didn't come from a very maybe safe environment, is what I'm hearing for some of you. Some of you were not born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Some of you were born into rich families, but you did not want help from your superiors. You wanted to do things on your own terms. Some of you left home at a very young age, got your own flat, got your own home, moved in with a friend, whatever the case is. But you made it work. Everything that you said you were going to do, you did it. And there's still so much more to achieve. You're on another level because regardless of what people think or say about you, regardless of what people think or say about your goals and your dreams, whether or not they agree or disagree, you do not care. All you care about is making sure that you are the best version of you and that you do not give up on yourself, because at the end of the day, you will only have yourself to look at in the mirror and you want to be proud of yourself. You want to know that you went hard. You gave 150% into whatever it is that you want to do. You are your own cheerleader. And Spirit is saying, if not, please become one. Please become your own cheerleader. You compete with yourself. That's the trick. Competing with yourself only. You're not focused on what that one's doing or what this one's doing. Yes, you may gain information about what friends and family are up to, but that's not where your focus lies. Your focus is on yourself and on your goals. You are on another level because for my masculines out there, you have a lot of admirers. And your boys are like, how does he do it? How does he do it? You can have your pick and choose as to who you would like to date. And I'm talking about different caliber of people who you are attracted to from all walks of life. People get mesmerized by you. It's like you put people in a trance because you're sophisticated. You have class, grace, charisma, a quiet confidence. You are an old soul. You have so much wisdom. You know how to hold your own in a conversation. You are intelligent. People are astonished by your high IQ. You are a great conversationalist. It's not that deep, is what some of you are thinking. But people, especially your boys, for some of my masculines, feel like you are on another level. You can get anyone you want. And for some of you, you're unbothered. For others of you, you're like, it's whatever. But not in a conceited way. Some of you are married, some of you are in a relationship. But it doesn't stop others from wanting you. Because you carry a certain charisma, charm. You're very alluring to the opposite gender. For some, to the same gender. You are on another level, because even if people try and compete with you and try and come up against you to try and rival you for your energy, you're 10 steps ahead. Some people may team up with others who they know are threatened by you and your energy. Especially for my masculines as well. You may come up against individuals who may feel like, I'm hearing Mr. Steal Your Girl. They feel like you're going to steal their girl. So they may try and team up with others who are also threatened by you. And then what happens is, because you don't conform and fall in line and compete with them, they end up turning on each other, because guess what? They didn't even like each other in the first place. The only thing they had in common was you. Deep down, they're fans. They want to learn from you. And for some of you, some of these individuals, if they secretly compete with you, they end up asking you, bro, how did you do it? How did you get that girl? And you're like, what? Because you're oblivious. Your focus is on yourself. Your focus is on your goals. You are on another level because you do not stoop to underhanded means to gain the advantages that you have gained in your life. You believe in putting in the hard work. You were met with times of maybe taking shortcuts, but you felt to yourself that you wouldn't be proud of yourself if you did. You are honest and truthful, and people are taken aback by this. You are on another level because just when people feel like they've put you in some type of trap, they've one-upped you in some way, you're on to the next thing. You may like to travel. You may like to go to different towns and cities. You may have friends from all walks of life, or some of you like to travel alone. So you don't have time for the petty drama. Some of you are in relationships. You are on another level because people see you and your person as being so in love. It's almost as if your connection is very cinematic to outsiders. You are in your own world. You and your person are each other's fantasy. Although some people may have tried to throw themselves at you or your person, you stay connected to each other and you secretly laugh at these clowns, as you may call them, when you're together. You're on another level because despite people trying to break up your relationship, you and your person have stayed loyal to each other. Especially you listening to this. You see the play, you clock the games, but no one's going to tear you apart from your person. You found your match. Why would you want to destroy that? Which leaves some people all up in their head. How come I wasn't able to take him or her away from their person? How come I wasn't able to intimidate them? They try and Knight of Swords you. Try and bring conflict and chaos and upheaval into your life. They try and make you feel scattered. You're on another level because certain people try and come into your energy and steer you off your path, but you're grounded, you're stable. You King of Pentacles then, whether or not you're a masculine or a feminine listening to this. And if you are a feminine, you are your own King of Pentacles. You break down foundations. Whenever you enter the room, the whole place shut down because you got swag for days. What you possess can't be bought, it can't be taught. Your energy is expensive, my darling. You are family orientated. You are a boss of your own life. Some of you are business owners. Some of you are CEOs, managers, or you are a boss. Some of you own your own businesses. So while people try and deter you off your path, you stay focused on what's important with the Four of Wands. Leave these clowns in the circus. You're no fool. You're a queen up in here, and you are loved by many, and you love yourself.